guys. Oh shit. Hello guys. Drake from Motorbros here. I'm here to record taking apart a bicycle to review my Raleigh, which has been in the works for a very long time. Very long time. Way past overdue. So let me catch up on it. Okay. I've had the cable housings on the damn thing already. I fucked up the other rim that was originally on it. So while I was riding it, and then it's been parked in the corner right here for a couple months, and I'm gonna hopefully rebuild it by the end of the night, maybe. If this camera doesn't stop, if the camera starts recording that, then we're gonna have storage. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. No way! Don't. I had that on there somewhere. I don't know where I put it either. That's a very small one too. Shit. Awesome. I gotta find this one. I'll be right back, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys heard about my recent breakup, but I'm going through it right now. Probably it, maybe not, I don't know. A little bit smaller than that, you son of a biscuit. I know we have Elmer Jr. somewhere, guys, I just don't know where it is right now. Currently at the moment. Black Allen shit, I haven't been able to try for a couple days. I don't know if my brother hit it or something, I don't know. But it is not where I had it. The hell? Oh my god. Not bad. Small man, son of a biscuit. Not either. Biscuits and gravy, man. I can't find it really. Sorry guys, but my brother didn't share the way I had at the same time. It's pissing me off. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on a second.